Welcome to the launch of our newest product, the Forex Robot. Today, we will discuss how automated trading can improve your Forex trading experience and show you how you can buy our robots. If you're a Forex trader, you know that it can be challenging to stay on top of the market trends and fluctuations. It can be time-consuming to monitor Forex rates and make decisions on trades. But what if you could automate your trading process? Introducing the Forex Robot, the tool that will revolutionize the way you trade Forex. Our robots use advanced algorithms to analyze market trends and fluctuations, make trading decisions, and execute trades on your behalf. I've been using the Forex Robot since 3 years, and it has significantly improved my trading experience. It's like having a personal trading assistant who never sleeps. By using the Forex Robot, you can take advantage of market opportunities 24/7 without having to monitor the market constantly. Our robots can make trades faster and more efficiently than human traders, which can lead to increased profits. Our robots are easy to set up and use, and if you want, we can set up for you. Let the robot do the work for you. You can monitor your trades in real time, and our customer support team is always available to help you. So, how can you get your hands on our Forex Robot? Simply join our Telegram group and purchase the robot. You will receive access to our proprietary software, step-by-step guides, and customer support. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your trading experience with our Forex Robot. Buy now and start seeing results. Thank you for watching.